I'm Spencer Thiel. I found one of the camera guys at Custom Offsets, so we're gonna go check out my 2016 Chevy 1500. Let's go.
Trucks decked out, roll it in the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets, team chances, the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, we're gonna start off with the lift kit. We got a Fabtech 6-inch lift kit, and then we're running it with XD 820s wrapped in the Amp Attack MTs. These tires are awesome tires. A little bit of a softer tire on that side, but otherwise than that, perfect. We got about I would say about a 5-inch lip, or I said 5-inch stance on the tire sticking out. So not too aggressive, but you know, aggressive enough for me. So after the lift, we also got some rock lights underneath. That is also black label. That is also a color morph where you can change them a million colors, any patterns you want. You can make them go red, black, or red, blue, white, purple, pink, whatever you want. All right, we're gonna move to the front of my truck now. As you can see, I got some custom lights done to my truck. We're gonna start with the grille. We got a 32-inch black label light bar. It's color morph. You can change it any color you want, million colors. Love it. Love it that it's inside the grille. I'm not a fan of the exposed light bars, so that's why I got it inside the grille. Super bright at nighttime. Love it. And then we'll go to my headlights, which my headlights, we got some LED concept demon eyes inside my projectors. And then what we ended up actually doing is actually taking the whole headlight apart and getting rid of all the amber inside the headlight here and forth. And then if you guys look at the new Chevy Silverados, they actually got, this is actually a chrome piece, and we actually painted that black to make it, just make it look more sharper. Let's head to the side of the truck. And starting from the windows, got the windows color, or window match, or I should say tint match to the front. And then I also got a 4-inch banner on the front windshield. And if we want to take a look inside the truck is just normal, plain Jane. And then if you actually look at the steps, we got some amp researches on the bottom there, which come up and down with LEDs also on the bottom. Awesome at nighttime. Love them. Very cool. Let's head to the back of the truck. So what we did is I actually got a train horn put into this truck. I took the spare tire out, and I hooked the train horn in the back of the truck. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. Back's a little dirty, but I also got a 150 PSI air compressor in the back of my bed to pump that air to the train horns. And then for exhaust wise, I got a straight pipe, stainless steel with a axle dump on an 8-inch tip. I'm not a fan of those super rappy trucks, like that really low tone, and it makes it do that really low tone to it, and absolutely love it. All right, thanks guys for touring my 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. If you guys could please leave a like or see what your thoughts are in the comments, that would be awesome. Peace. Peace.